So friends, we're bird watching while I cook, okay? So as you guys see, the bird feeder full with a lot of different birds. We do not wake up so early, but my husband wanted me to have a video of
You said you
the
wanted a
moon.
video of the moon. You
Yes.
told me to wake you up.
My husband I tell my husband to wake me up. I really didn't want him to wake me up, but we up.
You told me to. Oh yeah,
And you guys could see, what's the red bird name again?
Cardinal.
The cardinal. And what's the brown bird name?
The brown bird.
Yeah, those brown ones.
The little sparrows.
The sparrows. And they're not letting the red bird eat.
No.
That's okay. I guess they'll come back soon. But guys, it's very windy, so the birds and them are struggling.
And cold.
It's cold outside too. I think they're very hungry also. So you guys seeing what we seeing right now, and I'm about to cook while you guys watch this video. Wow, how do I line this up that they could just see the feeder? Yes, I
Zoom
can't.
in closer.
If I zoom it in closer, the birds and I'm not going to look real. It's a lot of them though.
You just got that statue right there by the tree.
That would be nice, wouldn't it? I think I fixed it, but I'm not sure. Let's see if I can make this happen. Okay, you get some rest. Today I wouldn't let you do nothing, okay? I got to